The number one problem you're going to have in your life coaching business, and the reason that most people fail in this area and then spend all their time trying to get qualifications, certifications, and then they get all these certifications that, in my personal opinion, these old life school, coaches are teaching people that, trying to do things one-to-one, which is just not scalable. The worst thing ever is lack of results with your clients. So in today's session, I'm going to be taking you through how to get massive results with your clients and then how to scale that online. If you have a coaching consultancy, author, expert, life coaching business, all right, you need to leverage online, right? You're never going to get to 10 figures a month unless you have an online coaching business. The difference with an online coaching business is that you can drive traffic anywhere in the world into a group that you manage, and then you can do your coaching sessions over Zoom. That's the overview picture. It's really that simple. Now, the difference that makes the difference today is if you focus on your clients' results, all right, rather than focusing on certifications, rather than, again, I totally appreciate this because people go on that learning journey, they discover self-development, they discover wanting to be better themselves, and then through that process, that normally links up to wanting to be a coach, then helping other people and feeling good because of that, which I totally get because I've been on that journey myself and I've been through the old school approach. And what I noticed is that, again, very quickly, I couldn't do more than 30 clients a week, all right? I was fully booked, and some of my clients were seeing me once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week. And as soon as that was happening, I couldn't fit any more people in, traveling forward and back. I tried going to their houses. I rented space in Harley Street so people were coming to me. Regardless of how I looked at it, I was always capped at a certain stage. Then I started doing group training. Now, back in the day, I started a while back. I'm freaking old. I know I look like 10 years old, but I actually started as a coach in 1996. All I've ever done in my life is coach people. I've done a range of different niches. I've done every niche from health, wealth, and relationships. And, I'm here to tell you that sometimes, as you start going through your niches, you might have to adapt it according to as you evolve, as you grow, as you help your clients evolve. You'll get a transactional transformation through that process too, which is amazing. All right, that's kind of the secret that really why, a lot of coaches and people that spend a lot of time helping other people are truly, fulfilled on a different level because they spend all their time helping other people as well. Plus, if you can get paid on scale, then you'll be even more fulfilled because, again, not that it's all about money, but it's about how can you directly impact the maximum amount of your time so you can help people in the quickest way possible. So, all right, you need to focus on your clients' results. Forget about the qualifications, all right? Get people on for free. Start the case study methodology. I've got a whole system around how to create a case study methodology. If you're someone that's invested a lot into your skills, then that justifies you saying, I want to take on 2 people right now and I'm going to cover the cost for 10K each. Now you can justify that if you've spent over 20K in your training. Now I'm sure if you're watching this and you are a coach, most people have spent that to get them to where they are now. If you haven't invested in coaching training, then how are you going to do? You have to learn how to do something. Coaching is not just random conversations. It's artfully constructing language to allow someone to transform through that session. As you become more artful with your language, your ability to transform someone in one session will radically transform. So therefore, what I want you to get on board in this session right now is focus on building your product around your client and get obsessed, y'all, with your client's results. If you focus on your client's results, just like Bill Gates focused on his product, which was obviously Windows, that being a product focus. Each time they launch it, they get better and better and better. Each time they launched it, they took customer feedback on, all right, like Elon Musk, right? Every time he launches a new product, he takes on the feedback, he refines it, he lets the product do the talking, all right? Don't brag about your personal riches. Let your bragging be about your clients' results. Think about your clients' results and the impact that they can have on the people in the world, and that will create you a super powerful business, all right? That being said, if you haven't watched How to Get to 6 Figures, all right, in your coaching business, then click the video over here and watch this video of how you can get 10K a month in your coaching business. Serious, that's what we're talking about, leveraging groups. Click that video and I'll see you on the next video.